This year we're going to be using a program called Edgenuity for some RTI practice. Edgenuity will be giving you a placement test this year in reading. So here's how you're going to log in today. So first thing you want to do is go to edgenuity.com, and there is a link in Google Classroom. Once you're in Edgenuity, the first thing you're going to see on the left side of the home page is an orange login button. So you're going to press that orange login button, and then once you tap login, you're going to identify yourself as a student. The top bar, it says student login. So you're going to tap that. You'll be given a username and password that's already been set up for you in Edgenuity. So what you need to do is put in your username and password, and in the bar that says student, in the section that says student login, and then that will take you to the page that shows all of your current courses. And the one that we're going to be looking for is a reading placement exam. Once you find under the course map your placement exam for reading, then all you need to do is tap on the little symbol that looks like a restroom symbol right next to the placement exam, and that will take you to the exam. This exam is a little different than the NWEA's. It's done in short 4 to 5 question modules, and when you struggle with a module and you get less than 75% right in any module, you're done. So there are a total of approximately 45 questions, but if you're done after 10 questions, you're done. And then that will establish your RTI level, what you'll be working on in the system that we're going to use that's called My Path.